everyone? It's See Me Naturally here. If this is your first time clicking on this video, go ahead and like, comment if you have a question, and subscribe to join the Hair Hype crew. So today I've come with another unboxing video. I did not think that my channel would do as much unboxings as I've started to do, but I've got a lot to unbox recently, and I figured, you know what? Why not put it on YouTube and just film my experience? So I recently got an Apple Watch Series 3, and with this video, I'm just gonna unbox it in front of you all so y'all can see my honest impressions of it. I've always wanted an Apple Watch, but again, never got one because these things are expensive, and I was just like, I don't know if I want to drop money on it. So now that I actually have one, I'm super excited to open it and turn it on. So here we go. Alright, so I've already tore the plastic off, and it looks like you pull this little tab right here to open it up. And the first thing that I see are the, I guess, directions or manuals that are on the inside. Oh, what is this? Yeah, this is the manual. I don't know if y'all can see this. Yeah, and I think that just, I have it upside down. I think that just shows you what the screen looks like, giving more details on what buttons to push. I don't know, never had one of these before. Let's see what else is in here. One of the instruction papers. Open this up. Okay, more instructions. More instructions, more instructions. Oh, so this must be the actual band. Yeah. So I got the color white. What is this? Oh, charging cord. Why did I not think that I actually had to have a charger for the Apple Watch? I'm so slow. Okay, so this must be the charger for the watch. Oh no, this is an extra band. That's what this is. So here's the watch. Oh my gosh. Ah! Okay, I'm geeking out a little bit. I've always wanted one of these. All right, if you know anything about the Apple Watches or how to use them or anything like that, please leave it in the comment below. I've never used one. And if there are like some hidden tips or tricks on like how to use this thing to serve me best, please help a sister out. So we're taking the plastic off. Ooh, she's a beauty. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay, all right. So I have an Apple Watch. Cool. All right, let's see how to turn this thing on. To get started, turn on your Apple Watch, install the latest version of iOS on your phone, then open the Apple Watch app. I gotta go open it on the app. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So now I believe that it is done. Syncing. I'm gonna press OK. Oh, whoa. And there it is. I am in. Wow. This is crazy. Okay, so turning on the watch, and it looks like it's on. It says your watch is ready. Press the digital crown to start. Whoa. There we go. Oh my gosh, it's on. Okay. All right, so that is the end of this video. I have my Apple Watch on. I think I just need to take some time and play around with this and figure it out. All right, y'all, thanks so much for watching this unboxing video. Don't forget to love yourself, and thanks for seeing me naturally. Bye, y'all.